So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can recover Snapchat chat, deleted photos or snaps. So friends, in this video I'll tell you two methods by which you can recover your Snapchat photos or snaps. So in our first method, first of all open the Snapchat application and then tap on your profile, which is available in the top left side. And friends, here then tap on settings icon, which is in the right side top side, and then scroll down your page, and here in the second last tap on my data option. And guys, in this list untick all the options. So simply untick all the options, only select chat history and also select memories and other media, and then tap on next option guys. And friends, here select the time period by which you want to recover your Snapchat snaps or photos. So for example, I will select last week, and guys then confirm your email address, because in this email address you will receive your photos or snaps data. So after confirming, tap on submit option guys. And friends, after tapping on submit option, you will receive a mail after a few hours to 24 hours. And friends, by using that mail you can download your chat photos or snaps. So guys, in our second method, open a browser and type how to recover Snapchat deleted photos Adityagan. Simply friends, search this and then scroll down your page and tap on second website, which is how to recover Snapchat deleted photos / memories and videos. 3 December 2024, tap on this option. And guys, if this page is not available there, so guys you need to search adityagan.com, and after visiting the website simply tap on search icon and you can type recover Snapchat photos. And friends, as you search, that post will be available, then tap on post. And friends, here scroll down your page and then you will find recovery apps list. And guys, even you deleted photos or snaps from your gallery, but the cache of your photos or snaps also will be also available. So friends, by using all these recovery applications you can recover your photos or snaps. And friends, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe channel to get more interesting and latest videos on social media.